We are going to try our best to make hot chocolate bombs today. Remember, I am nowhere near a professional. For those of you who don't know me, I barely know how to use anything in the kitchen. First, pause this video and get everything on this list. If you're lucky enough to find a unicorn, they can be very helpful. First, we need to melt the chocolate. Place the chocolate pieces in a microwave-safe bowl. Heat for 30 seconds, then stir. Alternate heating for 30 seconds and stirring until the chocolate is melted and smooth. Spread the melted chocolate around the sides of the mold with a butter knife. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Carefully remove the chocolate halves from the mold. Start from the outside and peel the chocolate away from the silicone. For this next part, we will need more melted chocolate. Do this by using the 30-second stir repeat method. Set that chocolate to the side. Fill the bottom half of the spheres first. To seal them, dip the top half in melted chocolate and carefully place the top half on the bottom, filled half to create a full sphere. Smooth and seal the seams with a butter knife or your finger. Melt some white chocolate using the 30-second stir repeat method. Then drizzle it over the chocolate bombs. Pro tip: don't drizzle the chocolate if it's too hot. It will melt holes in the chocolate bombs. And here was our first fail. I don't think the milk was hot enough for this one. And here I just spilled milk all over the table. This one was closer, but we took it right from the fridge and it was still a little bit too cold. For this one, we let it get to room temperature before pouring the warm milk. It looks hard, but you can do it.